Ja, dus dit is zeg maar puur de paddenstoel. So it's actually an organism, so it's made from mycelium, which is the root structure of mushrooms, and they're the biggest recyclers in nature, so they can decompose our body into new nutrients for nature to flourish. It's together with the mycelium and a lot of microorganisms inside, as you can see here, that's going to fasten up the decomposition process. But not only the decomposition process, it also neutralizes toxins in the soil and in our body, and really enriches nature. Mix it with a substrate, so for example